Welcome guys, today I am with OPPO A96 and I want to show you a few camera tips. Basically 5 camera tips. So quickly we can start from the zoom feature. As you can see, currently we are linked with the 1x, 2x and 5x. But you can also go more options when you click and hold. As you can see, we can go for the 10 times. And we got also this cool slider, and with the slider we can definitely like more smooth adjust this zoom feature, so you can move like that. You can decrease or increase with the slider. You can keep your phone more steady than pinching screen with 2 fingers. Okay, so that was the first tip. Another one will be about the brightness adjustment. On this basic modes, you have to tap on the screen, and when this icon shows, you have to just drag like that to decrease or increase brightness level. To make it automatically, just wait until it disappears. Few seconds. If it is not disappearing, you have to just tap on the screen once, and then we'll be back to the default and will be adjust automatically. Another tip will be right here on this bar. As you can see, you can quickly change color and the temperature by using this preset of the filters. If you want to take photo with this one, just click on the shutter and then you can just go back for the original. Right now, when you click in this place, you can also enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. Let's set, for example, for the 3, tap on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo will be taken. Simple as that. Okay, let's turn it off. So that was the 3rd, and we can go for the 5th. So let's go here, tap on the settings, and as you can see in the settings, we can enable the fingerprint shouting. So as you can see in this device, you will find this fingerprint sensor, and you can just tap on it and you will take photo. It works the same like this hidden feature with the volume buttons. So when you click volume up or down, you can simply take photos like tapping on this shutter or using fingerprint sensor. And that's also additional feature. When you click and hold, you will take series of the photo. Okay, so that's all for this video about 5 tips for OPPO A96 camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.